All right, so again, today is Smile Day, right? And it's great that I'm making myself have to smile because there's a lot of things that make it easy to not smile. So the question I'm asking, in general, and the reason I'm asking this question is because there's a lot of people depressed and there's all this crazy stuff going on, people taking their lives. So I think a smile is probably the easiest thing that you can do to affect your mood. You know, regardless of what's going on around you, if you smile, you can change someone else's perspective and you can change your own. So, what do you think?
I think that person is trying to spread a positive energy into other people, you know? When one person starts smiling and then when they spread that to other people, you get that from them.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I think too. That's awesome. You're awesome. Thank you. Smile all the time. Smile at strangers. Smile at people that are not nice to you. Just smile to smile. Try it. Smile now. You'd be surprised on what a smile can do for you and what a smile can do for someone else. Because I believe that another key is to live an outward focused life. You got to take care of yourself and you got to do things, you know, that remind you of why it's worth it now, right? You got to exercise, and I go surf and I swim and I do things for me. I give myself time for me. But I want to be outwardly focused. I want to, if I see someone that is hurting, obviously, I want to try to help somehow. But I'm not 100% perfect about that. I mean, there's times that I'm, you know, stopped and there's somebody who's, you know, holding up a sign, needs change, and I can't find change, or, you know, I'm too lazy, I don't, you know, I mean, but there's other times that I'm really good about, like, hey, here's a bottle of water, or here's, you know, all the change in my drawer, whatever. You know, it's like we should always be like that. And someone looks like they're having a bad day, to smile at them. Wow, be surprised. So that's what I'm going to do today. So smile is the word for the day. Smile today. I promise one of these beginnings of the videos are not going to be all about me. I feel like I've just been talking too much about me, but I'm just laying the groundwork. I'm going to take the next step in my day, which is to go to my day job, because I still do that corporate job, but I've been able to transition and doing my passion as well. So I've, as time has gone on, I'm at more of a part-time type of shift over my day job, which I will let you in on as I go to it. And I'll show you how I smile at people. It's going to be kind of weird smiling at them with a camera. I'm not sure exactly how that's going to go walking into that building, but hey, I'm going to try and see what happens. Hopefully I don't get tackled by security or something. And then I'm going to show you, you know, how, you know, my day goes. You know, I go from doing the corporate day to going over to my passion, going to do what I feel like I'm purposed to do.